Hi there, welcome to this Moonstruck Knits video. I'm Natasha and today I'm sharing a neat little knitting trick I used in my Thelma cardigan. Thelma is the cardigan companion to Louise. Together they make a modern twin set that's anything but traditional. For the sample I used Mominoki yarn, holding their Remy silk together with silk mohair. This combo gives the design its beautiful drape and soft, dreamy halo. For all the details, yarn, yardage and other specifics, check out my website or the Thelma pattern page on Ravelry. Thelma is knit seamlessly from the top down, beginning with the back. Once you've worked the back to the underarm, you pick up stitches at the shoulders to start the fronts. This is exactly where the pick up in pattern technique comes in handy. Take a look at these two swatches. On the left, I used the standard pick up and knit method. On the right, I picked up stitches in pattern. You'll notice that the regular pick up method creates a visible indent along the pick up row. But when you pick up in pattern, that indent disappears. The vertical lines flow cleanly across the pickup row, creating a much more seamless look. Here's the wrong side of the swatches. It really shows how well this technique preserves the pattern at the join. So let me walk you through how to pick up in pattern. For the fronts of Thelma, pick up 1 stitch for every cast on stitch. For the purl stitches, bring the yarn to the front and insert your needle from back to front. Then purl that picked up stitch. Continue this way for each purl stitch until you reach the knit column. At that point, move the yarn to the back, pick up the stitch from front to back, and knit it. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll enjoy creating your own beautiful Thelma cardigan. Happy knitting, and who knows, we might cross paths again for more yarn-filled adventures. Bye now!